If your company manufactures, processes, packs, or stores food for consumption in the United States, you may need FDA Food Facility Registration. But here's something many companies don't realize. FDA registration requirements are different for domestic facilities and foreign facilities. Understanding these differences is critical for maintaining compliance and avoiding costly mistakes. So let's look at the key differences between domestic and foreign FDA Food Facility Registration. FDA Food Facility Registration is required for many facilities that manufacture, process, pack, or hold food intended for human or animal consumption in the United States. The purpose is to help FDA identify food facilities supplying the U.S. market and support food safety oversight. Whether your facility is located inside or outside the United States, registration may be required before products can be distributed in the U.S. However, the registration process differs depending on where the facility is located. A domestic facility is any food facility physically located within the United States. This includes facilities that manufacture, process, pack, or store food products. Examples may include food manufacturers, warehouses, cold storage facilities, packaging operations, and distribution centers. Domestic facilities generally register directly with FDA and maintain their registration information as required. For many US-based businesses, FDA registration is one of the foundational compliance requirements for operating within the food industry. A foreign facility is any food facility located outside the United States that manufactures, processes, packs, or stores food intended for US consumers. Foreign food facilities are also generally required to register with FDA before exporting products to the United States. But unlike domestic facilities, foreign facilities have an additional requirement. They must appoint a U.S. agent. The U.S. agent serves as FDA's primary U.S.-based contact for communications involving the registered foreign facility. FDA may contact the U.S. agent regarding inspections, registration matters, compliance questions, or emergency communications. Because of this requirement, selecting a reliable U.S. agent is an important part of maintaining FDA compliance. FDA Registration Assistance proudly serves as U.S. agent for food facilities around the world and helps manufacturers manage the registration process from start to finish. While both domestic and foreign facilities complete FDA Food Facility Registration, some information requirements differ. Common registration information may include facility name, physical address, contact information, ownership details, and facility activities. Foreign facilities must also provide U.S. agent information as part of the registration process. Accurate information is important because FDA relies on these records to identify facilities supplying the U.S. market. Although there are differences, domestic and foreign facilities also share many responsibilities. Both may need active FDA Food Facility Registration, biennial renewals, accurate registration records, compliance with applicable FDA regulations, and proper food safety practices. Both facility types must ensure that registration information remains current and up to date. Some of the most common mistakes include failing to register the correct facility, using incorrect facility information, forgetting biennial renewals, not maintaining a valid U.S. agent, or assuming FDA registration is optional. These mistakes can create compliance issues and unnecessary delays. That is why many companies choose professional assistance when navigating the registration process. Whether your facility is located in the United States or overseas, FDA Registration Assistance helps simplify the FDA registration process. Since 2013, we have assisted companies in more than 135 countries with FDA Food Facility Registration, U.S. agent services, biennial renewals, FDA label reviews, FSVP support, and broader FDA food compliance guidance. Our goal is simple: help businesses navigate FDA requirements with confidence. Whether you operate a domestic facility or a foreign food manufacturing site, understanding FDA registration requirements is an important step toward accessing the U.S. market. Contact FDA Registration Assistance today and let our team help guide you through the FDA Food Facility Registration process.